And today I'm here to discuss with you a wonderful home remedy which you can use as a good face cleanser for almost any kind of skin type. But yeah, if you have acne, then you must avoid. Otherwise, even for oily skin, it's like okay, you can do it. So what you need for all this is like wheat bran, a little bit of wheat bran choker, which is very readily easily available in your kitchen, and a little bit of raw milk. And what you need to do is just mix both of them and apply it on your face before, like after washing your face with water, just apply it and leave it on for like good 5 minutes, and then slowly gently rub it all over your face and wash it off. It also acts as a mild scrub, so on a daily basis if you use it, you will free yourself, your skin, from the regular tan that you get on a daily basis or any kind of dust which is accumulated in your pores, and it'll help in giving you a very healthy, nice, glowing complexion. So trust me, you must give it a try.